ഒന്നുമില്ല.
Yeah, you can take some food from the table. If you don't feed them, they're gonna leave quite quickly.
ഞാൻ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം. വീഡിയോ
Small pieces.
ചെറിയ പീസ് കൊടുക്ക്.
കൊടുക്കാം.
Yeah, so this size, okay? This size. Yeah, perfect. Well done.
Why is its head like this?
So he's been castrated, and that causes some problems for the antlers because their testosterone production is disturbed. So they are kind of like tumors, but it's really just excess skin.
He'll get better.
Yeah, he'll get better.
Does it hurt?
It shouldn't, no. So he doesn't have any nerves in the tumors, so he can't actually feel them. Do let me know if you want help with any photos. I'm happy to help you.